Good morning, Word Wonders. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, and these are your slides today. We are focusing on idioms today, so if you read the morning message, you can learn a little bit more about that. There are some activities, Go Bananas and Tootie-Ta. That's a classic. My cousin Kathy, who is 18 now, but she used to dance to that when she was younger, so it's a fun little silly dance, and those of you who have younger brothers and sisters, that'll be something fun to do together with them. Today's assignments, let's be quick, are to do the day 2 part of 7.8. In reading, you are focusing on vocabulary, and in writing, you are going to continue to write another supporting paragraph and a conclusion paragraph for your essay. Today is Workout Gear Wednesday. Get off the couch and get ready to sweat. Choose your favorite exercise and start working out. Hopefully, it will work out better than Mike Wazowski. There are tons of kids' workout videos, from yoga to exercise and all kinds of things on YouTube, or you can join your parents in a workout video, or create your own. Your reading plan for the day is that you're going to be watching the teacher video first. Thank you to Miss who put that together for us. And then we are focusing on the including topic-specific vocabulary part of our weekly reading goal. You're going to be making a list of topic words for your topic. You're going to want to go ahead and search through some of the notes you've been taking over the last few weeks. You will not need this list today. However, you will need to share your vocabulary list on Friday's Flipgrid video to prove that you've done it. Ask yourself, what words do you know about your topic? And you're going to add those down. These words might commonly be found in the glossary or bold, underlined, highlighted within the text. And why are these words important? I think that might be the bigger picture there of why authors are using these words when talking about your topic. And then you're going to share your answers on Padlet. So just as a sample, here is my penguin vocabulary list. Penguin pouch, blubber, molt, preen, rookeries, barb, colony, webbed, coast, incubation, and krill. Some of these words you've heard us talk about in some of the videos over the last few weeks, or seen them in our notes, and some of them you might not have heard of yet. Here is two examples from Padlet. The first one is a comment that I added to Padlet, and the second one is from Miss I think brood pouches are important. So again, I picked a vocabulary word and I'm explaining why I think that word is important, or why it's important to my topic. I think brood pouches are important because without them to keep the baby penguins warm, the babies wouldn't survive in the cold. Their feathers are not quite warm enough, and they will not survive in those really cold climates without being able to stay in that brood pouch in their parents. Miss focused on the word blubber. Blubber is the part of the penguin that is their fat. The blubber keeps the penguin warm, just like fur keeps animals such as dogs, cats, and bears warm. So Miss is trying to show us that blubber is important because it's a big part of what keeps those penguins warm. Okay? Math. Math is probably the trickiest part today, and I need you to bear with me and do your best, okay? You are going to need your open response paper from yesterday. You are going to want to take a minute to review your work. What were the questions? What were you asked to do? Then please watch my math video. It will ask you to pause and try to walk you through the steps for today. But essentially, you're going to first reply to a friend's Flipgrid video. I want you to keep in mind that it's probably not going to work out so well if 3 of you respond to like Robert's video and nobody responds to Avery's video, right? So only reply to someone's video if they do not already have someone else replying on it yet, okay? You're going to reply to their video. What do you notice about their work? Compare it to your own work. Do you have any questions for them? What might they do to improve it? Things like that. All of the details on how to politely talk to somebody are in the math video. Second, you're going to be revising your own math work. The math video is going to show you the rubric and some student samples, and you're going to use that to make your math work even better. Hopefully by the time that you have done both of those things, somebody will have replied to your video by then, and you'll have other ideas on how to improve your work as well. Either way, that last step for math is to reply to your own video and share the improvements that you've made. How did you try to move up on that rubric? How did you make your work better, more clear, more organized? Essentially, I'm hoping by the end of today that all of your Flipgrid videos will be 3 videos. Your original video, a reply from a friend, and a reply from yourself, all on your original video, okay? I will try to monitor this throughout the day, and if I see that somebody's not getting a reply, then I will try to reply to them. You guys might want to use the chat and be like, hey, Melania, I see you're on. Hey, Ria, what's up? And you might want to work out together and be each other's partners. And then that's totally fine too, to assure that there is somebody available that's able to do the work with you when you're doing it. But I do know you all log on at different times. So just try to manage that with who's available and not so much on, I really want to watch my friend's video. You can watch as many as you want. You just only have to reply to one. Writing for today, you are going to continue your essay. You are going to be working on the next supporting paragraph for your essay. If you have more than one supporting paragraph, some of you might have 1, 2, 3. You're going to work on those and try to get the conclusion done today as well. Okay, there are the videos from when I modeled with the dot available online that you can go and watch. But otherwise, I'd like your video, your essays to be done today. So tomorrow you can spend some time revising and editing them to make it the best that it can be, okay? Finally, you have your science, your social studies, and your early finishers activities that are always available, okay? I'm here all day if you have any questions. All right, see you later.